If you've ever needed to turn multiple Figma frames into one clean PDF, this video is going to save you a ton of time. Today, I'll show you exactly how to export frames as PDF in Figma, step by step, so you can quickly compile your designs into a shareable document without any confusion. This is perfect for presentations, client reviews, design handoffs, portfolio exports, or simply keeping your work organized in one file. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Figma tips and software guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, before you export anything, take a moment to arrange your frames properly on the canvas. This step matters because Figma will export the frames in the order they appear. The easiest way to do this is to position your frames from left to right and top to bottom in the sequence you want them to appear in the final PDF. If your canvas is a little messy, you can also clean up your layers panel and make sure the frame order is easy to follow. Doing this now helps prevent the pages in your PDF from coming out in the wrong order later. Once your frames are organized, look to the top left corner of Figma and click the Figma logo. This opens the main menu where you can access the file export options. From there, go to File and then select Export Frames to PDF. This is the key command that tells Figma to compile your selected frames into a single PDF document. After you choose that option, a settings dialog box will appear. Here, you can adjust the export settings based on what you need. Take a look at the color profile options and choose the one that works best for your project. You can also review the quality settings before exporting, especially if you want the best balance between file size and image clarity. If the PDF with clients or teammates, it's worth double checking these settings so the final document looks exactly how you want it to. When everything looks good, click Export. Figma will then prompt you to choose where you want to save the file on your computer. Pick your destination folder, give the file a name if needed, and save it. Figma will then generate the PDF with all of your frames compiled in the correct order. And that's it. You've now exported frames as a PDF in Figma. Super simple, super useful, and a great workflow once you know where the option is hiding. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick Figma tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.